nga bulijjo pulezidenti w'abeekalakaasi abizzeemu nga tewannayita na nnaku mbale nga yaakava mu kkomera atandikidde we yakoma era Dr. Stella Nyanzi olunaku olwaleero akedde Bunnawanja wamu n'abayizi b'e Makerere nga beekalakaasa mbu baagala bwenkanya obw'okuttibwa kwa Tegu eyafa sabbiiti ewedde.
We are headed to Parliament. We are going to demand, we are going to deliver a petition to Parliament to demand that they come with questions, undoctored, they come with answers, undoctored answers, answers as to why Tegu was killed, answers as to why very many others have been killed in this particular country. We are demanding justice for each and everyone who has been killed during this particular period and even before. We are demanding justice for our fellow Makererian who doctors are claiming was ill, who doctors were claiming was mental, was bipolar, and yet we know that the men in uniform are the ones who killed him. We are heading to Parliament to deliver a petition. We want justice for Tegu. We want justice for every other person who has suffered in the hands of the military, in the hands of the LDU, in the hands of policemen. We want justice for every Ugandan who has been murdered in the course of trying just to live their lives. We want justice, and we are moving to Parliament. We are going to submit our petition. We are moving to Parliament. We are going to take Tegu's red gown there. We are going to take Tegu's bloodied red gown there. And we are saying end police brutality. We are saying end LDU reign. We are saying end LDU terror. We are saying end militarism in Uganda. We are going to Parliament, and what we are taking with us is a sign that we are tired of this oppression. What we are taking with us is a sign that we want peace. What we are taking with us is a sign that we do not want LDU brutality anymore. What we are taking with us is a sign that we want a better day tomorrow. Is it bad for us to live our lives? Is it wrong for us to live our lives? Yes, fellow countrymen. Tugenda banja polisi, tugenda banja babaka. Batugambe ensonga lwaki polisi yatta Tegu Emmanuel, a fellow Makererian, era tugenda banja mu batugambe ku lwaki LDU etutta. Tukoye ddala. What we want is justice. We are striving for what is right. We are striving for what is better for this country. And we are heading to Parliament as of now. We are going to camp there for 1 week straight. We are not going anywhere. We won't eat anything. We want to do nothing. We are headed there to demand for what is right. We are headed there to demand justice for fellow Ugandans who have died. MPs are here feasting on each and everything. They are busy increasing their salaries. And what are we suffering from? We want justice for each and everyone who has been killed. LDUs must be disbanded. LDUs must be disbanded. LDUs must be disbanded. We want police brutality to end right now. We want police brutality to end right now. Mulekerawo tutta. Mulekerawo tutta.
Emmanuel Tegu twagala Parliament ekole ku nsonga z'aba LDU okutta abaana baffe. Abapoliisi mulekerawo okutta bannayuganda. Abapoliisi mulekerawo. We are demanding justice for Emmanuel Tegu.
Justice for 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 Tegu.
Disband LDU.
Disband LDUs.
Disband LDUs.
Disband LDUs.
Justice for Tegu.
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 Disband LDUs.
Disband LDUs.
Disband LDUs.
Disband LDUs.
Justice for Tegu.
Justice for Tegu.
Justice for Tegu.
Justice for Tegu.
Disband LDUs.
Disband LDUs.
Justice for Tegu.
Justice for Tegu.
Justice
for Tegu. Yes, fellow countrymen, like we said, we have arrived at Parliament, and our demand is that we have come here to seek justice. We have come here to seek that the people who we have elected peacefully, the people who we elected are no longer speaking for us. The people who we have elected have not done anything for a just cause. What we want Undoctored answers from the police. What we want are undoctored answers from the military. What we want are undoctored answers from anyone and everyone who speaks. Why do you say LDU? Why do you say that Cheku was
paralyzed the activities here? Please, can you stand and say move ahead, move that side. Go the other side. Go the other side, please.
Yes, we need answers. We need answers. Justice for Cheku. Justice for Cheku. Justice for Cheku. Justice for Cheku. Yes, we are here. We have come to demand for answers.
So can we hold our papers on the side?
No.
Why not?
You are doing it in the middle of the road.
No, but now you have our papers. You said you can go to the state. You said you have he has a petition for Parliament.
We have brought a petition. We have come to deliver to the Speaker
We
of
have not
Parliament.
carried a petition to security.
The security has always never delivered our
The
petition.
security is going to deliver. But we are going to guide you.
We have come to demand for
Please give us
justice
the
for Cheku. We have
guidelines. We
come
are
to
not
demand.
giving you the petition. The petition wants
We have always brought.
What do you want? What do you want? The police are responsible for telling us what happened to Tebu.
We
We
have
want
come to demand for
justice for
justice for
Tebu.
Tebu.
We cannot negotiate with the
And
police.
we have the
We
petition.
cannot negotiate
And we
with the
would like
police.
to speak of
We
Parliament.
cannot negotiate
deliver-
with the police.
We would like
Can
to
we
deliver
have two
our
people on
petition.
There are only three of us. There are only three of us. We are not 5 people. We are only 3 people. We are Ugandan.
Oli ku Uganda News Updates ky'oba olina okunkolanyiga akagambo subscribe, okomentinge, olikinge, ate osharinge. Mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala, sigadde nze Roger Maloboozi.